In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new list right from your inbox view and quickly set it up using ClickUp's built-in suggestions. This is perfect if you want a fast, consistent way to organize tasks without jumping between multiple screens. First, open ClickUp and head to your inbox. The inbox is where time-sensitive items and recent activity surface, making it a convenient starting point. If you're already working from another view, switching to Inbox helps you create a list in context, so you can act on what's top of mind. Once you're in the inbox, look for the plus icon. This is the universal add button in ClickUp that lets you create different kinds of items from wherever you are. Clicking it brings up a small menu of options designed to speed up your workflow. From that menu, choose List. A list in ClickUp is a dedicated container for related tasks. Think of it as a focused folder inside your hierarchy that keeps everything aligned to a single theme or project segment. Selecting List tells ClickUp you want a structured place to gather tasks, rather than a single task or a document. After selecting List, proceed by clicking Create. This confirms your choice and initializes the new list in your chosen location. You'll see ClickUp spin up the space with the default settings so you can start adding tasks immediately. Creating from Inbox is helpful because it keeps your momentum going. No need to navigate away or lose sight of what you were just reviewing. Next, click Apply Suggestions. ClickUp often provides smart suggestions right after you create a list. These are curated recommendations, such as statuses, fields, or simple setup options, tailored to common workflows. Applying them gives you a ready-to-use structure without manual configuration. It's a quick way to add clarity. For example, a useful set of statuses can make task tracking more visual and consistent from day one. If you're unsure, remember that these suggestions are reversible and customizable later, so it's a safe way to get started fast. That's the entire flow. Open Inbox, use the plus icon, choose List, click Create, and then apply the suggestions to jumpstart your setup. With these clicks, you've built a clean home for your work and given it a solid foundation. If you repeat this process for different themes or teams, you'll create a consistent system that's easier to navigate and maintain. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your work more efficiently with ClickUp.